baby.
Oh my goodness, you treat me so good when I came. Thank you so much,
You're a
Ishawna.
sweetheart. Listen,
Oh, I love
you're
you
like a little baby, man. The thing is,
too.
when I saw you, Brittany, right? No, I need to ask you this. When I saw you
Okay.
online, when
Yes.
I saw you online, I fell in love with you like the week before. And I told Sketta, I said, you have to find that girl. I need her. Like, but the video that I saw was with you, like you were crying about something like I said, well, nah, they back, well, nah. I mean, I said, no man problem, you know, but me I get to understand, say I never man ya ball over. So now I'm confused.
Oh, I never really know, man.
I never really know man, but guess what? So it go mama, cause now you're in the video. Eh? Eh,
Yeah,
I forgot that weird there.
I did, like it was my own fans and my own people.
I know I didn't realize, but honestly, that's what really caught my attention. And I was like, cause let me tell you this, me like you.
I
Remember,
love you, girl. I love you
remember
from way
saying
back.
no. Listen, I love people. Let me tell you, I love people. Let me tell you what I love. I love somebody that can just close themselves off from the noise and do them. You get what I'm saying? You don't care about what people
Yeah.
say about you. You're in a business about what people have to say. I have to just be yourself, mama. That me like, boy, you know, kind of matter what them want to say, girl, have a buzz.
Yeah, this is I watching eyeshadow.
And I want to thank you. I want to thank you for coming to the video, right? I want to, you know, we treat you good because we love you. That's what it is. We
Yeah, it
love
was very nice. And the maid lady that came to my makeup, Cathy, she was nice too.
you. Yeah, you
Everything
pick out
was.
your outfits and
And
listen,
then the hotel and everything, girl.
we
Wow,
love
it
you,
was like
girl.
a dream.
We
It was
love you,
like
girl. We love you. We want to big you up, big you up, big you up, big you up all
big
the
it
time.
up to Aisha. Like I always say, but I didn't know that's how you treat people good outside in the outside world. I
Aww,
just want to say, yeah,
aww.
girl, you
Love
deserve
you,
everything you have,
baby.
girl.
Love you, girl. Love you. Take
Love
care of
you
yourself. Keep
too.
doing you.
Mwah.
Keep doing you. Keep staying strong. Keep being beautiful. Keep being the star that you are. And you're gonna make it, girl. It is what it is. Them
Thank
couldn't
you,
stop
sir.
this. Listen, Brit. Them couldn't stop this. Them couldn't did stop by success. I were out for take care. Them couldn't did stop by something, yeah. Just go and stay focused, mama. Go and stay focused.
Thank
Love
you
you,
so much,
baby.
Aisha. Thank you. It
And
was
you
an
make me
honor to
dep
be in your
alive, you know?
video.
And you make me come alive, cause you know me have to big you up, right?
Yeah, but it was an honor to come in your video, girl, and experience
Aww.
on how you carried it and how you did the thing. Big up yourself,
Big
girl.
up yourself,
Love.
baby. And take care of yourself, my darling.
I will, Queen. Thank you so much.
Mwah. Love you.
Ah.
My TikTok, only Brit let me dep alive. Love all out, no. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Okay.
Love you. Continue. So, wait. Brittany, no, I have to put, no, man, I play the song one time before.
Okay.
One time we're going to touch it,
Do
Brit.
it. Let's do it.
One time we're going to touch it. Oh, my God. What was
Hey.
that? What was that? Clap.
Perfect.
What was I feel
Yeah.
you. Hey, hey.
Yeah. I'm feeling like a new
Feeling-
child. I'm feeling brand new.
Yeah, girl.
I'm
Yeah.
feeling like
It's
a
tell
new
it why I
Hey, love me, love me,
Hey.
love me, turn the look at the love me, 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 love me.
Well, get rid of them, Brit.
I love the song, girl. I keep it on repeat.
Love
I
you,
keep it on
baby.
repeat. All right,
Bye, my
but
love.
not today.
Take care of yourself.
Me not no more crossing.
Yeah, girl. Well, get rid of them.
I'm feeling like a new child. Hey. Whoa. It was a good
I love you,
experience, Shana. It was a really, really good experience.
Yes.
See me there.
Yeah, girl. You're in a video now.
China. Girl, that song I go viral.
Mm-hmm.
Get the most views per YouTube.
Every
1
girl.
million views.
Listen, let me tell you. If a girl not like that song, then them love crosses.
Yeah, because it's song about upliftment and new
Upliftment,
beginnings.
happiness, love,
New
enjoyment,
beginnings.
happiness. We don't want nothing for stress you out right now.
And since me start singing song, enough good things happen for me, so it's an uplifting song. But
All
not
right.
today.
Not today.
Walk away. Me no more crosses in a mistake.
No more crosses. Nothing for, cause some of them
Wash
salty now.
away,
Some of them.
away.
Hey, listen. Some man salty now. And come with beer baggage, and them. Listen, ladies, watch the man them on there than the energy one. Some of them are crosses.
Ishawna, but over the years you look young the same. I must commend you on that. It's like you don't age.
Thank you, my love.
Wow. I didn't realize her. You beautiful forever, girl. Trust me.
Thank you, baby.
Cool in the night and in the do.
Yeah.
It's my favorite part.
Not today.
Remember this part, Ishawna? I'm free.
Yes.
I'm free.
I'm free.
Girl. This is my favorite part. I'm free.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm free.
Yeah, we're free like a bird in the sky.
I'm free. That's my favorite part.
Oh, no.
Ishawna, I love the song, girl. Please, everybody go subscribe to it on YouTube and so on.
I love you, baby. Love everybody. Thanks for
song.
Love you guys. Love you. Brit.
Go?
Huh?
You're gonna leave live so soon? I wanted to
baby.
stay
You know I'm only here for you, and it's only 5 minutes.
No, but like you don't really play the song, so we could hear it as yet.
I play it.
But I never really hear when you do it.
I play it, Brit. I play it.
No, but like I wanted to come out the box and watch it.
You don't want me to come off the live, Brit?
No, I want to come out the box so you could play it over your side and sing it and let us see.
Man, I'm done. I came here for you because I was on Instagram and everybody was saying, "Come talk to Brit, over to." That's why I came.
But I love seeing you over here, girl.
I'm gonna get to big up. Look now, I'm gonna get to big up. All your fans that want some little crosses people to leave Brit alone too. That man.
Yes, true.
A different league there. You run past them long time.
Yeah, I'm the top notch level now. On the auto
Hey. Guys, love you. Mwah. Continue supporting.
Now?
Yes, baby. I'm gonna go.
Oh, why you gotta go now? We wanted to see you some more. Trust me.
Next time. You'll see me next time.
Not yet.
I'm gonna listen. I'm gonna come on live a little bit more, and I'm gonna big up everybody. I'm gonna big up everybody will support the song. Just want to big up everybody. Big up Britney. Big up everybody. Love. Once you not support the song, once you not support me, what will I do? Big up Britney. Big up everybody that's up. Once you love Ishawna love you. All right. Once you say Ishawna say you. So I love everybody. I love you guys. Continue being great. Continue being just positive. I love you. Okay? Mwah. Take care. Kisses. We're feeling like a new. Let me end the live one more time playing New Child. And that's it. Go and go stream it. Go and go up on YouTube. Go and look at the video. And just have a ball. Positive movements, right? Love or no. That's been supporting the song. You know, whenever I do music, I try to put my all into it. I enjoy what I do. And it's a good feeling when when you take the time out to create something and people actually like it. Because, as an artist, you don't know what people are going to like. You don't know if they're going to enjoy what you do. And one thing with my fans, them have my back. So I want to big up everybody that's been supporting me. Everybody that's a part of the video. Everybody that's supporting the song. I love you guys. It was just a vibe. The entire video was just a vibe. Like, it was just a good vibe, good energy. Everybody just come out. All women empowerment. To be honest, we're not bashing men. I don't want people to think we're bashing men. No, we're not bashing men. Why bash the crosses them? Why bash the drunkard them? Why bash the fuckboy them? Why bash the old dung them? Why bash the toxic man them? You see the futures? Why bash them? We don't want to see them. We want to see the Russell. When name Russell, Sierra man, yeah, them man they want to see. We want to see the Prince Harry them. Right? We're tired of the struggle, love, and we're tired of the problem, them. And we'd rather be alone. If it's gonna come with all this baggage, we're not go through no bag of hard time with no man. 2023. We're not go through no stress and tribulations with no dirty boy. A love for love and a respect for respect. And the argument done. It's self-care for 2023, ladies. Right? We'll go with gym, we'll drink water, we'll drink green juice, we'll do facials, we'll do manicures, we'll take care of ourselves. That we'll do. We're not stressed over no boy. Let me add Brittany.